Hey guys, it's Miss Strader. I just want to pop on and give you some updates for the week. It is Monday. What we are going to do this week is for history and language. I'm going to try to combine those. So it's not a lot of work. You can only have one thing that you really focus on and put a lot of effort in. It'll be a kind of like a research informative essay on a person or event in chapter 14, your new history chapter this week. So you get to choose a person or event for this week and you will write it in an essay. Okay, now what I'm looking for that essay is one, you have throughout the week you have different things that are due to me. Okay, so the first thing that is due is your outline and your rough draft. Those are going to be due on Wednesday of this week. Those are part of your grade. And then on Friday, your final draft will be due, okay? And again, this is going to count for history and language, so I really want to see some effort put forth since I'm lightening the load quite a bit, okay? One person or one event that took place. Now, research it. Use your textbooks. Use the web. If there's not enough information for you to write 2 pages on it, then you need to pick something or someone else. It needs to be size 12 font, double spaced, and you need to follow the 5-point essay system, okay? So make sure that you do that. I have provided some links for you, kind of going over instructions and stuff like that on your lesson plans for the week. Make sure you look at those for history and for your language. Again, those are combined into one this week. Okay. Also, I'm looking for the content to be very good and the grammar to be written and typed out very well. I want good grammar, punctuation, capitalization, commas, semicolons, all of that will be taken into effect. Your paragraphs need to flow very smoothly. I am going to be really grading these with a fine-tooth comb because there are 2 subjects that I'm going to combine. All right. Also, I want to be sure that you know that the final draft is due Friday. All of this needs to be typed. In the past, I've let you do your rough draft in pencil, but it was really hard for me to read. So your outline, your rough draft, and your final draft all need to be typed out. If they are not typed out, I am sending them back to you and going to make you redo them. So make sure that those are all typed out neat. There is a 2-page minimum, but you can do more pages if you would like to get your 5 points in. If for some reason you can't come up with 2 pages typed and you've followed the 5 points, add another body paragraph in there. It will help as far as length goes. Don't get repetitive though. Don't repeat yourself on stuff that you've already said, okay? For spelling this week, it's kind of the same as last week. You're just working with a different list. So it's going to be list 24, 1 through 30, and then you guys will get to choose your spelling activity for the week. So you can choose the poem, the sentences, and there was one other one. So for those will also be due on Friday, and then you'll have a spelling test on Friday as well. I will be calling you this week on Monday from 1 to 3. So be looking for that call. Please be sure that you are checking Teacher Ease also, guys. I graded a lot of assignments this week, and I'm missing quite a few history things and a few language things from you guys. So be sure that you're not missing anything because some of those are quiz and test grades, and those greatly impact your grades for quarter 4. So if you are missing anything, please get those into me, especially if it's a quiz or test grade. For the most part, I have everything except for those. Majority of you are missing the trifolds, the history brochure. So be sure to get those into me this week so that you can be given credit for those. I'm praying for you guys. I hope you have a great rest of your week.